Part 16. Real-life English conversation. Meeting a friend. Do you know English words but still don't know how to use them in a real conversation? Do you want to practice speaking English through a simple, natural conversation? Then this episode is for you. Today, we're going to listen to a real-life English conversation between two friends. The conversation is simple and easy to understand. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to speak along with the conversation. Let's begin. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Today. This is part 16 of our English learning podcast. Today, we're going to practice an everyday conversation between two friends. The two friends are meeting after a few days. They'll talk about their day, work, food, English learning, and their plans for the weekend. First, listen to the conversation. Then we'll practice some useful sentences from it. Conversation. Friend 1, Alex. Hey, long time no see. How have you been? Friend 2, Sam. Hey, Alex. I've been good. How about you? Alex. I'm doing pretty well. What have you been up to? Sam. I've been really busy lately. I've had a lot of work to do. Alex. Oh, really? What kind of work? Sam. I've been working on a new project. It's taking a lot of my time. Alex. That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy it? Sam. Yes, I do. It's difficult sometimes, but I'm learning a lot. Alex. That's great. So, what are you doing here? Sam. I came here to get some coffee. What about you? Alex. I'm waiting for a friend, but he's running late. Sam. Oh, I see. How long have you been waiting? Alex. About 20 minutes. Sam. That's a long time. Alex. Yeah, but it's okay. I don't mind waiting. Sam. Do you want to get something to eat while you wait? Alex. Sure. I'm actually a little hungry. Sam. What would you like? Alex. Maybe a sandwich. What about you? Sam. I'll have a coffee and a sandwich too. Alex. Sounds good. Talking about English. Sam. By the way, are you still learning English? Alex. Yes, I am. I'm trying to improve my speaking. Sam. That's great. How do you practice? Alex. I listen to English podcasts and repeat what I hear. Sam. That's a good idea. Alex. I also try to speak English every day. Sam. Do you have someone to practice with? Alex. Not always. Sometimes I practice by myself. Sam. How do you practice by yourself? Alex. I talk about my daily routine in English. Sam. That's actually a great way to practice. Alex. Yeah. At first, it felt strange, but now I'm getting used to it. Sam. That's the important thing. You just need to keep practicing. Alex. Exactly. I don't want to be afraid of making mistakes. Sam. That's a good attitude. Talking about the weekend. Alex. So, what are you doing this weekend? Sam. I'm not sure yet. I might visit my family. Alex. That sounds nice. Sam. What about you? Alex. I might go out with some friends. Sam. Where are you planning to go? Alex. We're thinking about going to a new restaurant. Sam. Oh, nice. Have you been there before? Alex. No, this will be my first time. Sam. I hope you have a good time. Alex. Thanks. What about you? If you visit your family, have a safe trip. Sam. Thank you. I'll let you know how it goes. Alex. Sure. Anyway, it was great seeing you. Sam. You too. Take care. Alex. See you soon. Sam. See you. Useful sentences from the conversation. Now let's practice some useful sentences. 1. Long time no see. 2. How have you been? 3. What have you been up to? 4. I've been really busy lately. 5. I'm waiting for a friend. 6. He's running late. 7. Do you want to get something to eat? 8. I'm trying to improve my speaking. 9. I'm getting used to it. 10. I'll let you know. 11. It was great seeing you. 12. Take care. Repeat after me. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat. How have you been? Pause. I've been really busy lately. Pause. What have you been up to? Pause. I'm trying to improve my speaking. Pause. I practice English every day. Pause. I'm getting used to it. Pause. I'll let you know. Pause. It was great seeing you. Excellent. Try to repeat these sentences several times. Your speaking challenge. Now imagine that you're meeting an old friend. Try to answer these questions in English. How have you been? What have you been doing lately? What are you doing this weekend? How are you improving your English? How do you practice speaking English? Don't worry if your answers aren't perfect. Speak slowly. Use simple English. And keep going. Final message. Remember, learning English isn't only about memorizing words. You need to learn how to use those words in conversations. So listen to conversations. Repeat useful sentences. Practice with a partner if you can. And if you don't have a partner, practice by yourself. The more you practice real conversations, the more comfortable you'll become. You don't need perfect English. You just need to keep speaking. Outro. Thank you so much for listening to Speak English Today, Part 16. I hope today's conversation helps you practice real-life English. Listen to it again. Repeat the dialogue. Practice both sides of the conversation. And try to use these sentences in your everyday life. Listen, repeat, speak, improve. See you in Part 17. Until then, keep speaking English every day.